I designed beautiful freehand floor paintings, also known as rangolis. Rangolis are popularly known to be floor decors during Diwali, weddings, or any other occasion. It is an art form which originated in the Indian subcontinent and can be created using colored rice, rangoli powder, or paint. To me, rangoli tends to bring life to your clothes. What can I say? I love what I do and I try my best at it. Shortly, we have a preview of all my talents combined. But before we move on, I'd like to give a special thanks to Natasha of Trini Cooking with Natasha. Natasha, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be featured. It really means a lot and I appreciate it. Thanks a million. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the preview. Always remember to stay safe and stay blessed. Bye!